Good morning, all of you. We are doing Model Science Class 7, and today we are going to start chapter number 3, Responsible Citizenship. Citizenship consists in the service of the country. It is said by Jawaharlal Nehru. Here we'll start the chapter by asking some questions. Do you know how many members are there in your family? If no, then count all your cousins, uncles, aunts and other relatives too. Then how many? Maybe you are confused in counting the members because you don't know many of them, but still they are a member of your family. You can't recognize them. You may count their numbers, but you don't know the names properly. Okay. But like this, a citizen, you are a citizen of our country, and everyone of this country are the citizen of this country. That means they are Indians. And maybe you don't know everyone, but you know someone. But they are citizen of their country, and there is a bond of citizenship brings everyone together, and that bond brings the family also together. We are enjoying some rights being a citizen of this country. It gives us the same right to be proud of our country. For example, our country protects us in various ways, such as police, defense. In return, we have to give something to our country by abiding by the rules and protect it from any trouble. That means we will not disturb any people, will not do any crime, will not do anything bad for our country and for the pride of our country. Alongside citizenship comes the value of integrated nation. This means the people from different communities consider themselves as Indian. We are first Indian. After that we are Maharashtrian, we are West Bengal, we are Bihar, we are UP, Kashmiri, South Indian, East Indian, Bengali, Hindu, Muslim, Sikh. First of all, we are Indian. Here is a story of a boy whose name is Thapar. He is from Kolkata, and a friend he is having whose name is Yamaguchi, and he belongs to Japan. Once we know there was a tsunami happens in our country in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Thapar was working there, and Mr. Sen, an old man, was there. He is asking Thapar that I just want to thank you for all the help you have given. Then Thapar asks, why sir? Don't make me embarrassed. Then he gladly said that the help which you have given. And he asks, where is your another friend? Your friend Yamaguchi. Then Thapar told that he is in the another tent operating the HM radio, and I am just getting the message ready to be sent, said Thapar. Thapar and Yamaguchi were part of the team of HM radio operator. They were radio operators and helping the people in the tsunami. After the tsunami happens, they are giving informations that what is happening, where not to go, where to go, what to do and what not to do. They provide information about the missing members of the dislocated families also. Then Mr. Sen asks, why do you do this work? Life in the camp is not easy. He is asking Thapar. Then Thapar said that I ought to help my country. That means I would not sit quietly at my home. In this disaster time, I have to help my countrymen in this difficult time. Then Mr. Sen said, well done, well done, my boy. People like you who cares for country. He has seen very little, some papers. Then Thapar laughed. Well, long ago, sir, Yamaguchi and I met first. And Yamaguchi has given me a radio made in Japan. I was very happy and took good care of it. One day it is unfortunately stopped working. Then Yamaguchi, when heard this, he get upset. He sent it to the company and the company sent me a very courteous letter apologizing for the flaws. That means the cause what has happened to the radio. They have given the apology letter and they told that they will investigate about the failure of the radio, and they have sent a latest model of that radio. I remember my surprise first at Yamaguchi reactions and then at the reaction of the company too. He took so much pride in the radio made in his country. I suppose some of that sense of pride in one's country has rubbed off on me. That means whatever the pride, he loves his country, how much he loves his country, how much he pride on his country, feel proud on his country. That makes me that I would also feel proud of my country. That is why I am working for my country. Then after hearing this, Mr. Sen said that it is the youth like you who hold the future of the country in their hand. I am glad to see that we leave our country in capable hands like yours. Who told this? Mr. Sen told this. So after going through the chapter, we have learned that our country is also giving us something, so we should feel proud of our country and we should help our countrymen such as our family members. We should think our country as a family member. Now you have to do the homework, answer the following questions. Next day we will start change of heart. Till then, goodbye.